Ever wonder how a metal roof is made? Right from the back of the Harvey's truck, we are here installing live our newest project in Duxbury, Mass. Each panel is cut to exact length and slope on these two structures here. So 16 feet exact. No seams. This is great for eliminating ice dams. Hurricane winds cannot blow this style of roof off. There are no exposed fasteners. This is a 1.5 inch snap lock system that will look absolutely beautiful. A black low gloss roof on these red structures. Really, it will be a stunning change, and I will film that in the end for you to see. Thanks so much.